Good morning, everyone. Sorry, I was grabbing my coffee there. Nice and hot. Good morning, Border Gas. Welcome in, everyone. I'm going to share it live. If everyone could do that as you come in, I would sure appreciate it. Appreciate the likes already starting on TikTok. Means a lot. Welcome in. Nate, how's everyone this morning? Spartan, how you doing? Ruko? Ruko? It's just a rough market right now, everyone. We will survive, though. All we can do is keep trading, managing our risk. May need to do a little study session this weekend together, though. Get locked in. Feel like it'd be beneficial for all of us after battling this market. What's up, District? Oh, it's not showing. It's all right. YouTube working against me. It is what it is. I'm trying to work on my back testing, and I'm having the worst time this morning getting the running the commands I need to go through all these files. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but it is bothering me. So I'm just gonna leave it for later. Risk to riches. G Man, good morning. Welcome in. All right, all right. Welcome in, everyone. Shared the live. How's my Mara? It's nice. I'm making money selling options this week at least, right? That's why I say it's so important to have multiple incomes. I'm about to make a bag off tomorrow. First off, I'm going to sell covered calls on my 1,500 shares. Um, I like to be real close to 11 when I sell. Get a very high premium. I'm going to sell it in profit. Plus, I'm going to collect all that premium and I'm going to start over. My Netflix is up, so that's what everyone says this morning. No one's getting the YouTube notifications, and I guarantee it's because I don't run ads on here. I'm not making them any money. What it pushed down to, Alexander? Oh, dropped my phone. I do not, Wind. Not that anything wrong with it, I just don't. Oh, nice. That's not bad. Not a bad area for Walmart, everyone. We may have to look into some leaps. Yeah, you all gonna have to really help me on YouTube share the live. No one's getting notifications this morning. Flip, I didn't get to go, man. I had to cancel. Had something come up immediately after we got off the live that day. I could not go on that hike. Good morning, Emma. I sent I don't know if you've seen it, Emma, but I DM'd you the code for the account I gave you yesterday, this morning. Just want to make sure you've seen it if you want to use it today. Everyone else should have all the 150K take profits have been gave out. I gave out some Credify 50K Select yesterday. I'm hoping to give away some Apex today if he sends the code while we're on this live. You're very welcome. Trying to give out all the accounts I can this week. This week and last week was tough trading, so see if I can't give out extra this week. Good morning, Danny. Danny's gonna be here full time, right, Danny? You said today starts full time. You'll be trading with us again for a week or so. Where are you on vacation at, Danny? Sorry, I'm horrible about keeping up. I catch up on all the news in our chat here. So, all right, market's open. Let's do this, Team Bull. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
What's up, good to go out?
What's up?
How you doing, bro? Good morning.
Good. Just working on something this morning, but I'm here.
All right, what you working on?
I'm trying to. So I have my personal bots that trade for me, but I'm trying to add more to the bot, but I have to process like 1,557 files, and I'm trying to do it through the command Python, and I just can't get it right for some reason. It keeps giving me an error. To keep it simple,
Nice.
That's what I've been trying to do.
Nice.
Could be because I'm not the best with Python.
What's the biggest mistake most beginner traders make? There's a few, but I'd say over trading and expectations, thinking they're going to make money fast. Got any levels you like for shorts?
I'm not for sure, man. With this market, Asia low is what I would normally watch, but we got some weird levels of weird this morning. Where they're at. We got Asia low below pre-market low. We got previous day low. We're breaking. Previous day point of control is at Asia high, so maybe that would be the area. A lot of resistance above.
Let's see. Let's see. All right, guys, welcome in. It's a good and blessed morning.
Kurt, I don't really use Chat GPT. I use Claude when I need help with stuff. I feel like even with code, you have to know a little bit about it if you're using AI, or it can just really mess up. You think you're doing it right, but good morning, Shrewa. It's Claude free. I'm sure they have a free version, but the what I use is like $200 a month, so 200 or something. Good morning, Naya. Good morning, Tio. Welcome in, everyone. Appreciate all the likes. Yeah, YouTube is not showing up for people. Hey, TikTok, can we run up the likes? I would appreciate it. It's all right. I just, as long as the OGs are here, I'm good. For this week, I just want to have good vibes, less stress as possible. Just talk to you all. You know, anybody feel that? Just want to. I'm gonna show up every day, but I'm gonna take it slow and be very patient with this market. If you don't sell options with me, everyone, you really should consider starting. Only thing I'm making money from this week, as far as making money from that, I'm not making money from day trading at the moment. It could change. We still, we're not halfway through yet. I mean, we're just halfway through, rather. I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna trade pre-market, maybe in the morning. Try it out. That'll give us two more sessions before the week's over. I just gotta get back from the gym in time. Okay, we'll trade it. Should have done it this morning instead of working. I didn't even think about it, to be honest. The bots have already started. Jesus. Good morning, Oscar. Oh yeah, I announced my option selling. The people um, not take tomorrow with me. I announced it here when I put some. So tomorrow put. I'm confident. I don't doubt our skill. I don't doubt us one bit. Hardest part for me is just seeing other people lose, even if it's just part of the process. Charger Man says, I got a 25K select today, Cogers. I appreciate it, Charger Man. I don't do spreads often, Kurt. The way I sell options may be a little risky to some, but I do not like too low of IV. I just feel like I guess I've been in day trading too long, I want a little more return, but I still try to play it safe, even going about it that way. That's why I like Mara so well. The IV is nice. Don't mind holding it. The range we're in now. That's stuff I look for. Do I get assigned often? Pretty often, I would say. Then I just sell covered calls. No, I mean, if you sell cash secured puts, there's nothing wrong with getting assigned. Oh, maybe I'm just too far away from my mic. How's that? Sound any better? How are we sounding? All right, everyone, real quick. I just want to make sure you can hear me clear, see my screen. We're good to go. Awesome. Good morning, me. All right. What's everyone like this morning? Drop yourselves in the chat. Also, man, there's all kinds of bots over there. They're really gonna work you today. Nice. You're all watching shorts? I like the 680 as well, Danny. But I'm definitely going to watch this area here. It's kind of a big area, but Asia low, pre-market high. Very clear. So was support there. So. Good morning. Good morning. What's everyone's for those in the Netflix swing slash long term play with me? What price targets are you watching on that? I just Bill, I sold some covered calls on my shares, okay? Amara shares. I'm not for sure what a good amount to start selling options would be. I'm here, everyone. I wouldn't expect a big crowd though. YouTube is not telling everyone I'm live right now. Who? Captain and Corey in the house? Oh, it's a tough day for me, Sherwood. I mean, it just wasn't a green day trading. It's all good. What do I think about Tesla for a swing? I really don't swing Tesla often. I can take a look. Oh, so I need to do it. I've been slacking on the classes, man. This may be as far as we go here, the way the top of these candles are looking. We'll see. What's everyone sipping on this morning? Um, Coffee myself, just good plain coffee, nice and strong. Everyone drinking water this morning? Come on. Nothing wrong with it. I'm just protein smoothie, nice. We got Corey out here tripping now. The mushroom coffee, nice. Maya, we have to start using the pivots, I guess, with Grisology, huh? Solid, Travis. I don't know if it would be if you're. I would say what's upsetting your stomach, man, would be drinking it on an empty stomach. If that hurts you, it doesn't hurt mine. I can drink it on an empty stomach all day, but some people cannot. All right, bot. Leave men alone. Excuse me. Watch it. It'll push. If it the orb confirms here on this candle, it'll push all the way down, pre-market low, bounce, so he won't get it. If I was guessing. I was looking at Tesla. I got sidetracked. Tio, my bad. I don't know. To be honest, on Tesla, you'd have to do leaps if you're gonna try it. I guess. I'm not crazy about swing trading options unless I have plenty of time. People starting wanting to try shorts at point of control, huh? Does anyone in here still use Apex? First off, if you do, I'm trying to get us some accounts to give away at the end of this live. Hopefully, he DMs me the codes while we're here. But if you're not using Apex, I still, even though they've been around forever, people love, people hate, they are proven with me and still one of the best. You can get up to 20 accounts linked together, reach a payout across all 20 at one time. If you want to read more about them, download my free ebook/guide on my website, grizzlytrades.com. Or if you just want to try them, use code Grizzly for the discount. That's what I reached my biggest payout with ever. Will I ever have a bigger payout? I could have once, but I went on. I was trying to do it for the publicity and lost them all. you know, but you all know that story. The OGs do it least. Still hurts thinking about it, honestly. Basically, just let 40K go, trying to run a bigger payout. I can tell you though, trading 20 as long as I did takes a toll on you. You know, well, T.O., I don't like Tesla, just to be honest, for a swing right now. Not that I'm the master of swings. I do better with long term type plays, but just my thoughts. I feel like you'd be better off buying Walmart leaps. Nice, Corey. You got this, man. Has anyone tried building their own trade copier? I couldn't imagine it. I mean, I have one I haven't tested, but I wouldn't imagine it could be too hard right now, right? With AI advancing as quickly as it is. Just run it on your PC. But you're right, it'd have to be cloud based to run continuously, or you'd have to leave it actually open all the time. It'd have to be Claude, yeah, of course. But Ryan, it was a red day for me yesterday. How'd you do? What'd you say, Bill? Oh, if I bought Walmart for leaps, let me look. That's a good question. Maybe. I mean, you could start it here. What's the high on Walmart? Maybe do like March expiration or something, June. I just go at the money, give it plenty of time, Bill. If I was gonna do it here, I'm not starting my position yet. I'm thinking about switching my options selling account switching brokers, because I found one that made more sense. Better for option selling. I'm gonna try it out, I guess. I just hate transferring that much money. It's always a hassle. I'm always worried about it. What about the point of control reject? Did you take that? They was talking about it in chat. That's why I asked. I don't look at 3 minute candles. I have back tested nearly every time frame. The 5 minute is just, I don't know why, but it's just the best for day trading. I don't know. Seems like the confirmation's better, strategies work better. The 15 minutes good too on some strategies, but I feel like the 5 minute and 15 minutes is probably the best. I guess just the right amount of time to get the data we need. Appreciate all the likes. We're almost at 5K on TikTok. Oh, you can't hear me well? I'm right up against my mic, so some horrible closes on these candles. I'm gonna get below this 15-minute range.
Yup. Got anything you like so far?
Not really. I had to guess. I would say downside.
Have I gotten over a million in prop payouts? No. And making money overall trading, yes, but in prop payouts, no. Over six figures though.
$1 million.
Only reason what's up, Scott?
I said I'm gonna watch shorts if we confirm down here. I do like shorts better.
Me too.
Go ahead,
The only
man.
reason I trade prop firms is to show that I can do it.
Oh my goodness! Every time I look over, there's a new bot. I'm gonna ask TikTok to track them. Think they'll take the time? Good morning, Mal. How are you? On this beautiful Thursday morning. Yeah. Ed says the bots give him new followers. There you go. Positive way to look at it. It's funny. Trying to catch a good move today and keep your funded alive. Definitely a tough week or two, huh? I'm locked down. See if we can catch a winning trade together. Only thing I'm profitable on this week is my businesses and option selling so far. Finally, some people showing up to YouTube. Sorry if you're coming in late because you're not getting a notification. YouTube is working against me. That's right, me. Very positive. He says I'm profitable in knowledge this week. That's right. Perfect time to focus on education these tough weeks, huh? I was going to tell you all, Grisology subscribers, I'm setting up the area that we're going to move the people testing the new feature coming. So if you volunteered to test it, I'll be reaching out to you soon. I'll get you moved over to that area. It'll just be the people testing in it. I'll need your feedback. You'll be working with, communicating with the developer that built it. So it's gonna be interesting. Yeah, the build was out of my league for sure. Out of my depth. Grisology, Grisology, I've done a lot of work myself, but I also have developers. But this, what I'm having built now, is not part of the Grisology indicator. It's part of the community, right? It's another addition. It's more value. You see what I'm saying? Do you mail the updates? I will say this about the what's coming. To the Grisology community is competitive. It's competitive and it teaches. So I'm gonna say, let them test it for however long, and we'll be ready to start. Everyone can get in and sing Grisology. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome in. Starting to say we try shorts and we just keep our stop above point of control. It's the only thing it's respecting so far. Well, too late now. Slag, I'll let you know. I'm not for sure how many I have. I have to add them, add them up at this point. Let me adjust this for you, TikTok, so you can see this better. There you go. Yes, yeah, that's correct. It's something new. She was here. Also, yeah, she was here. Sometimes my days get blurred together. I forget who was here. How long have we been doing the lives here on YouTube, TikTok? It's been a minute now. I mean, before we was doing the Instagram live for years. Thanks, Robert. Has anybody been trading the Asia session? If so, how's it been going for you? Has it been tough as well? It's been slow. I feel like this VWAP would be another good short area. Get up there. Need to make a video today for YouTube. What would be a good video? Any content suggestions? Grisology series, possibly. Delta video. Thanks for the input, Scooter. I haven't been. I looked back to Asia. I've looked at the Asia sessions a little bit, and I haven't seen nothing good for them this week. But you're right. The pre-market has been given some decent setups. Yeah, food content. There we go. All right, Naya. Yeah, I changed my name. Grizzly Eats. Have you all seen the videos of that one guy? He's always like cooking steak or something out. I believe he's Russian or something. I'm not for sure, but he's always cooking like meat and like drinking whiskey while he's eating like straight off the grill. It's always like steak or something. I can't think of his name. Yeah, Ryan. Is that a name, Nico? Yeah, in the wilderness. Where you heading, Oscar? Yeah, I agree. Not very often. I mean, some people can drink and just have, all his life, keep stay in control. But most of the time, uh, nothing good comes from drinking, especially when you're trying to do it for bad reasons. That being said, I do enjoy it occasionally, but not too often anymore. Probably something to do with your stomach, man. I would bet, considering you have issues already with it. Probably what it is. You don't like the taste of alcohol or coffee? I like. I like beer, so I can't say much. I do like the taste of that, but I do like coffee. If you have any questions, let me know. It's horrible volume, huh? That's gonna catch some heat. If your VWAP, it should come the way mine is. If it doesn't match mine, it's probably just your chart setting. Come right here. Just make sure you have this checked. Okay. Excuse me. In QES Trader, it has been weird ever since last Monday. Like the move's gonna be down. Just how can we justify taking this yet? Setter stops at 409 and let it ride. I mean, what's the choices here? Massive wall of buyers at 300. Thanks. So we might bounce, is what you're saying. We've got 2 minutes on this candle. It could get some volume. It's gonna have to get with it. Okay, got some volume. Nice. What's the delta here, Danny? So it's positive delta. But right below point of control. I'm telling you, it's just not making it easy on us. It's nearly impossible to go long right below point of control without getting close. I have no idea.
It makes you think that you want to try some sort of retracement here, but that's just a tough candle to
Do anything with.
operate.
Right below point of control, too.
Yeah, it's a tough candle to operate for sure.
Glad we got some volume there. See what happens. Maybe it'll put us above point of control. Good trade, man. Did you end up catching any more trades yesterday? Just that one.
Just it's the one we had. Good idea. Slash trade I took on a funded account. Some of my funded's not on the live though. My live ended in red at the very end.
I did too.
But yeah, my 2 bar was a loss. Live account was red yesterday.
Plus, you had to pay your electric bill. What a day. I'll let it go.
That's why I don't take the orb unless it has solid volume.
What about?
I mean this. What?
I was gonna ask Team Bull about the MARA puts that we sold yesterday. We closed them out today. Nice bag.
Nice. You kill it selling options. You can make a bag doing it.
Dude, I make good money from it.
You can make a bag doing it for sure. Make an absolute bag.
Tony asked me to post my P&L from the MARA trade so he could put it on Wall Street Bets, like it's his. Point Control has dash strength. Oh no, there's no long entry here. We're below point of control.
Literally just ripping back and forth. You could scan this. Scan this for a dose of DOD.
Not really, Charger man. Whatever, you have to have enough to cover 100 shares.
Barcoding back and forth, back and forth. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. As a reminder, we got that 50% off and no activation fee sale going on with Take Profit Trader that ends this Sunday. Use code J. Only $85 all in for 50K.
How that got unmuted, but it did. YouTube is just on my nerves today. It just keeps being weird, everyone. That candle had nice high volume, right? Good positive delta, just sold right back off. What do I see here? I don't see anything right yet. Imagine being a new trader starting last week or this week. Wouldn't that just be the worst? I mean, we know how to deal with it. We've been doing it for a minute, but just imagine coming in fresh to this market. Okay, this isn't for me. I'm out. I swear, when I started day trading, it was like I couldn't miss. Like it just everything we did was just right. That would be the easiest time to day trade ever. Even up to GameStop, past GameStop, all that stuff. It still stayed pretty easy. I don't know. I blame it on the Russian wars when it started getting tough. That's my theory. Yeah, it's just a go long on a pullback year. Go long on pullback. Let's get the chats going. Everyone's sleeping or something. Where's everyone checking in from this morning? I'm right here in good old Tennessee, East Tennessee. Where you all from? You don't have to be specific. Do not be giving out your address here. I'm just saying, like South Carolina, New Mexico, Phoenix, Charlotte, Ontario. Nice. Samuel's in Spain, Germany, Indiana, Colorado, Atlanta, Nebraska, California, Manchester, all over. Nita's from Nashville as well. I didn't know that. Oklahoma, Missouri, Mexico, St. Louis. Wait a second. Let's see here. Beck, are you also on the TikTok? Beck, you got so many accounts. I know. I never know. Oh yeah, you all know where I'm at. Tennessee. I'm gonna try to scan this chart with my phone, see if it reads anything. Says we need to start trading some individuals again. No, I think we still have a nice trade. I'm just gonna wait and see. Someone posted the exact same thing you did. That's why I asked. This haven't been no trades yet. Excuse me. For real, Jonas. I have no read on the market here at all. Speaking of Halloween, the holidays are coming up fast, huh? I can't wait. I love the fall. I'm excited. Football season is upon us. Football, hunting, holidays, just good quality time. Uh, what am I dressing up as? I don't know what I'll do. I just hand out candy. I enjoy just handing out candy. Nick, you around today, Nick? I haven't seen you. Liv and Nick MIA today. What is going on here? We just gonna hang out in this area the rest of the week or what?
Insane. Literally insane.
I think it's a bad price action in my day, but this is up there.
Mr. Jaden, will you please just give me 100? It's been over 1 hour of my.
Jaden does like that accent. All right. Close above point of control. What about that? Your touch VWAP and just fall apart. Watch. Let's see. You all better be staying disciplined. I don't want you over there over trading, forcing trades. Tough price action does not give us a reason to force trades. Ever. Protect your capital. Only trade legit setups. I'm watching. Man, I feel that in my soul. I'd rather go camping than do anything these days, to be honest. Something in the mountains, you know? Peace and quiet. Welcome, Brandon. I prefer the low taxing lifestyle. The low tax. I mean, not like I'm paying low tax. I pay. I'm not referring to actual taxes. You have to look it up. If we could find a key area to go short, I would be down. I feel that. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love hanging out with you all, but as far as crowds in general, not my thing. YouTube is just bothering me so bad today. The amount of DMs. I'm trying to tell everyone to join my TikTok if they can't get into YouTube. You like that, YouTube? I'm moving people over to TikTok. You're not working right. Hopefully everything's all right with them, Charger Man. At this point, let them live, man. What's up? You asked, I replied. We're just trying to catch a trade here. This choppy conditions. How's your morning going? Drop your questions in chat, please. Have nothing but time. This market is not doing anything we like yet. Me went to refill the tea. Don't take any trades without you. I don't think there's any chance in us catching a trade that quickly with this price action. I still like shorts. I'm just looking for the right place to try some. You on your way back home from vacation? That time, Jesus. How long was that vacation? 2 week vacation. Come on. It's wild to me. It's wild people take a vacation that long. I would be going crazy. For those that take the long vacations, when you're at home, do you love your home, like the space around you? Is it like I like home better than most vacations I can go to. Just curious. No, I'm watching for a entry. I understand. Yeah, wizard. I feel that in my soul as well. I feel like a lot of us on this live are very similar. See if he sent the Apex evos yet. I gotta give some of them away if he does. Still not. I didn't get to go, David, on the hike. As soon as I got off the live the other day, something come up and I couldn't be avoided. So That's right, Ryan. Yeah, I'm gonna go. I think my foot's starting to heal pretty well, by the way. I think so. It's not quite as not hurting as much. Not sure exactly what's wrong with my foot. I heard it on vacation. I don't know if it's broke, something tore, something was up. It's just now getting where it don't hurt so bad. No, red light device. It's my infrared. I got my infrared sauna. Does that count? You talking about like the things you put on your face and stuff like that? The red light therapy. I mean, is that right though? I mean, even I hope Jaden makes a bag on the shorts, everyone, if he's watching them. But it's just there's no strategy with it for me. I just can't take it because I think it would happen. I don't want to develop that just because it's a boring market. You're in. What strategy are you using, Danny? Just the instinct. So you have a strategy now, Danny. You only use Delta with. I would love to see your the criteria for it. I've been looking into Delta strategies. I'm always down to look at a new strategy. I love it. Go down for Danny. Push down for Danny and everyone that's in shorts right now, please. Straight to low day. Actually, give them pre-market low. One swift move. Keep going down. I hate this volume for you though, Danny. I hope it just gets it together here. Gives you some high sell volume. Why doesn't it do it for the what? Could go either way. I don't see anything pointing one way or the other at this point. I'm just hoping it goes down for you all. We are below VWAP and point of control at least, and previous day low. Keep going. Keep going low a day. I'm gonna stick around for a minute and see if I can catch a trade. The VWAP was it, yeah. We didn't even quite touch it either, or I would have possibly considered going short there. We definitely didn't have the volume confirmation. What's these higher time frames look like? It's ugly, huh? Hmm. I don't know for sure. Looking at the hourly, we are in hourly demand here. Hourly demand for sure. Horrible. I know it's not funny, but it's just horrible price action, isn't it? Jeez. At least you got trim off, Danny. Interesting. Interesting, everyone. No, I wasn't in shorts. Danny took shorts. He trimmed. He's out. It's done. Trade's over. That was he took it in the chat. You gotta know where to put your stop. If you're gonna take trades with random people, you have to know where to stop. Okay. Not that Danny's random. I'm talking to someone else. I was not in a trade. Anytime I take a trade, I'll be very clear. I'll say I'm going short. I'm in. All this. No, we're breaking out of the consolidation, everyone. This is what is happening. It could have been news, but my gosh. Fine. I'm gonna start to. Never mind. I'm not gonna touch on that. Lando, may I ask you some questions? Yes, as long as they're nothing weird. As long as it wasn't about that other trade. That was a Danny's trade, not mine. I'm just saying. I'm getting some weird questions. You gonna? Is the flags a question? What's up? Excuse me. What's up, Money Mind Easy? No trades yet. What was the delta on? Oh, it's positive on that previous candle. Low VWAP. So the previous candle delta is not really important if that's what it was, Alexander. I didn't realize he was talking. I wonder if anybody tried to long that candle. You got smoked right there. Yeah, this PA is not it, everyone. But I will be here and see if we catch something. Anybody? I mean, just be careful trading this. That's all I'm saying. was hoping we touched the 15-minute range high. That's what I was going to watch for. Then, if we close back below, then I would have considered. I'm thinking, Danny, we may have the dead cat bounce on some cryptos right now. We'll see. I hope this is the bottom on some. I would like to have another run. Honestly, I was hoping it would get SOL would get a little bit cheaper, Alexander, so I could buy some. It's a little cheaper. It's kind of give me that feeling too, Danny. You know. Just, real quick, everyone, take profit. The 50% off take profit sale ends. I think at the end of this week. I'm not sure the exact day, but it's almost over. It was only for 1 week. 3 day to pass is gonna stay though. So take profits keeping 3 day to pass evals, but the 50% off sale is going away. So if you're gonna try them, today's the day. Go to grizzlytrades.com, click on take profit, use code Grizzly. The 50K accounts are the one people prefer. Just a reminder. Now this we might be able to work with, everyone. What's the delta here, Danny? Or whoever, Zesh, whoever's doing it now. Sosa, Zash, Danny, someone. All right. I don't want to trade inside this. I was hoping it would push us out of the range. Alexander is all I can do not to make a joke with that. But yeah, it seems like it's kind of a chops getting broader. $11.11. Make a wish, everyone. Make a wish. All right. Finally. I hope your wish comes true. Still here, everyone, just waiting on a trade.
Almost forgot you were here, Goosey Glock.
And I almost forgot I was here.
Anything you like?
No, not really. I was hoping we'd get some kind of strong close to either side of this range. What about you? You see anything new? Anything you're watching now?
Shade on the website looks great. Nice job. Thank you. Yeah, nothing for me, man. Just waiting. Choosing DOD.
Just untradeable. It's horrible. Laptop. Maybe it's time for a new one. Is that? There's no way it's getting back in this range. There's no way, right? People still using the TTM? I haven't heard that in forever. So which way is it supposed to go, Danny? Does it say that, or just telling you it's going to go one way or another? Hopefully to the downside at this point. At least we'd be out of this 15-minute range. Wizard, I never had much luck with it. I guess maybe for swings. That's right, Sherwood. Exactly. We've been disciplined, no dumb trades. We're all on the same page for the most part. Still mad at YouTube, but oh well. Please. Are the orders still down there at the 300? You said there's a wall there. Tyler, it's not showing up for people. Some people can't even get into the live. District, I believe I agree with you. This could be the worst price action I've seen on NQ. I was on the fence about it to start, but it's just crazy to me. We've just chopped this small range, the entire open of New York. Literally giving me nothing. I run that one guy off. He never even asked his questions. He just posted his flags and left. I was not trying to be rude to you. I just you think so, Brian? You think if I leave, it'll give you a trade? Was he insinuating he's gonna burn them madmen? Maybe so he's saying. Well, the random bored person would never be in the live again. I don't like weird stuff like that. Yeah, we're gonna have to eat some sushi after this session. I had a bowl yesterday for my first meal. I um, it was it was a pretty it was relatively healthy. Um, there's rice, chicken, jalapeno, stuff like that. It was good. Yeah, Chris, I feel that. It was just chicken in the bowl that I had. It was a Mexican dish. I got it at the restaurant. Every time I look over at the Zoom and I say it's Gene instead of Jadon, it just always catches me off guard. That's our secret on here. We're always hungry. When this is just horrible price action now. Horrible. You've ate more. You've ate more steak and sushi since you joined Grizzology. My job here is done. My job here is complete. That's right. We should just sell some options here. What do you think? Open up some same day expiration on Fire QQQ and give someone gout. I've never had it, man. I've ate it forever. Yeah, I'm standing here, just hanging out with you all. Nice. So please make a new low day or something. No, I'm not in a trade. Nothing. There's just not been a trade for me yet. No, I stand up the entire time, me. I don't. I can't sit. I have to stand. I sit all day. My lower back just hates me. It's true. See you, Brett. Sorry we haven't had a trade today, man. I've tried. It's just not gave us one. I'm trying. Still no confirmation here that I like. We had a little higher volume, but it's still weak. Five team played soccer. It's cool. I'll write that name of that restaurant down, Danny. Next time I'm up there, I'm gonna eat. Eat there. Enzo. I'm gonna try to make it back from the gym in time in the morning to trade pre-market with you all as well as New York session. Oh, Chrysology, are you gonna confirm for us? We got 59 seconds. I don't think I'm gonna trust anything today. Wow, it barely missed your fill, huh, Alexander? Jesus. Barely. Not even a point, was it? Can't tell. Not at a point. Where'd Jaden go? He just disappeared. What's up, Gene?
What's up, man? How's it going?
Boring, man. How's your morning?
I know. I caught one trade today and I locked myself out.
Jaden, he in a secret trade somewhere, or he?
He is on the phone.
Okay.
I think it's his doctor calling about his colonoscopy. It was like 4 years ago, Tim. I went from 165 pounds, 25% body fat, down to like 135 pounds. And I would think the lowest I was at was like 13.
Jesus. If I weighed 140 pounds, I don't know if I'd survive. That's wild. I just usually do market when I get into trades. I feel right about 190s. That's where I feel like I'm not too weak. You know, feel athletic. You know, about 190s. gonna give us anything. I would like to see what I look like at 175. I don't know. I'm a little bit taller than Gene. Foot or two. Yeah, it does. I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna get anything or not. It's starting to make me wonder here. What's everyone thinking? Grisology does not like the shorts here. Stop thinking 5 candles ago. I feel that. Yeah, it just doesn't like the volume here. Finally moving out of the range. We did close below it. Barely. I don't know if you would consider us being out of it, honestly. Barely below it. Think I should narrate a book, huh? I have to log back in on reading enough. I don't know if I'd have the focus for it now. I've been doing much better just listening to audiobooks recently. Yeah, it shows fair value gaps. Cowboy. It has to be a certain size. You can adjust the size that it shows and don't show, you know? Makes me think about when I used to read to my daughters. No, she's old and don't want me to read no more. That's true. What's it doing, MJS? I'm gonna look on my phone. Oh. Wow, pumping. Nice. I hope it gets back to the all-time high. What I need. Interesting. Sorry, Mark. Just haven't got a trade today. It's definitely taking some patience from us to stay locked in, watching this barcoding. Shorts at 300. I can't take it, TO. It just literally doesn't match anything, any of my strategies. I think it's just as likely to chop back in range as reject it. What is it, Danny? Oh, gotcha. What VWAP are you watching on M? There you go, MJS. Let's see. Okay, I didn't know if he's talking to me, MJS, or This market is frustrating. What's everyone getting into after this? What are we eating today is a question. While we're waiting on a trade, I am changing the topic to food we're eating after. I can decide if I want sushi or steak. You know, I wouldn't mind like a shrimp cocktail either. That sounds good. Why not both? That's a very good question. Very good question. I don't have an answer. So, some pickleball for Danny. I will find me a friend to go eat steak with in my area one day. What is it? Broccoli, sweet potatoes, cauliflower, tofu, sauerkraut, blueberries. Interesting meal. I do like some sauerkraut. Yeah, Danny, if you don't come in first this time in the pickleball, we may have to cut you, man. No more second place. You know what Ricky Bobby said. You know what he said. I definitely don't like olives, me. That's one thing I do not like. Well, olives and bone marrow. I'm not crazy about bone marrow. I'm down, Madman. That's right, Scott. That's right. They shut Jaden's water off today. It's so funny. I know it's not funny, but he forgot to change his credit card for his electric and his water. So his electric got cut off yesterday, and his water got cut off today. Watch this. I'm gonna Venmo him real quick, and I'm gonna unmute and talk to him. Hold on. Find which one he is here. Hold on. Let's send him $50. Let's see what he said. See if he gets it. Jaden,
What up?
I got you, man. Check your Venmo.
Send me some money.
That's hilarious. You see what it says?
Hold on, I gotta log in.
Send it to your personal, I believe.
Yes, we will be accepting Venmo payments. Tips. Give me the tip.
Venmo's already getting from me. I don't know if that was for someone
Hard
else.
times. Right? Freaking A.
Hard times. The Venmo.
Hard times. Well, let's see how it looked on the like. Even if you took it on the retest up, I don't know where it was at, but if you took it right here, you might be a little concerned. You saw a higher volume push back up, but if you're already in, you just leave the stop loss at 360. You only have like 20 points of risk from 340.
And volume is no help at all today.
None.
Zero help from volume.
Terrible. Literally terrible.
This could be the worst price action I've ever watched. I can't remember a time I've looked at worse price action. All right. I think I am done for the morning, everyone. He still hasn't sent me I'm going to message him again about the Apex evals. Hopefully have them for you tomorrow. Make sure if you get take profit, use code Grizzly to sell in soon. So make sure you lock in them accounts. I have no strategy left here. It's just chopping, no volume. Safe travels today, Danny. Who else? Who else? Also, Emma, you might want to reflect on talking about Gene's height earlier. I'm just playing. You all have a good day, and I will see you back in the morning. We're going to end this week strong.